Why do people do the track attack and put their car on this road course?
They do it just so they can drive their vehicle fast.
Looking good, dude. We're gonna go get our wristbands, check in. This is Hugo. He's the guy who just coached everybody on what to do on the turn. All right, let's do it. Cool. We're coming around this start of turns so fast.
Yeah.
That was legit, man.
Yeah, that was awesome.
Let's do this. Can't recommend that enough. Whoa. Let me go say thanks to Hugo too, because as the coach, I'm gonna see if he has any closing words. And the guy in the pace car behind me, I want to see what he thought. See what he thought of my driving.
The Chevy, right?
Yeah, he was in the 68, I think it was.
That was pretty cool.
That's 68, man. And now people got their sports cars over here with the, like the hoods up. There's that Mustang again. More Roadsters. The Roadster crew. It's some Roadster love.
It's an adrenaline. So I used to do a fast car way back in muscle cars in the old days.
Yeah.
This is probably more fun because it turns.
Yep. Who drove this?
I drove this.
Yeah. Nice, man. Did you think it was fun?
Yeah, it was a lot of fun.
Yeah. Yeah. I really am gonna argue with people that they should, if they have a sports car of any kind, that they should do something like this. Now we're gonna have a beer after this thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Some of the best beer